Next. Luscious, will you join me?
Yes, Nesmeli. Oh, shall I take his temperature?
We don't use those old mercury thermometers anymore, Luscious. We now use the new wearable, single-patient TraxIt thermometer. The good news is the TraxIt is super accurate and there's no shakedown time. This is because the TraxIt is a phase change dot matrix thermometer, where the color of the dots changes from green to black. TraxIt is an adhesive thermometer with a gentle sticky backing. Remember to wash your hands, then peel off the thermometer from the backing and place on the side of the body deep in the armpit, just below the fold in the arm. Make sure that the area where you place the TraxIt is talc-free, oil-free, hairless and clean. Close the arm and wait 3 minutes for the first reading. Lift the arm to read. After that, readings are instant, and you just need to lift the arm to read the temperature, even while the patient is sleeping. One of the best things about the TraxIt thermometer is that you can leave it in place under the arm of the patient for up to 48 hours. This provides continuous, instant monitoring of the patient as long as they have normal, healthy skin where the TraxIt is stuck on. The TraxIt is ideal to use on patients of all ages, babies, children, and adults. But remember, when using the TraxIt on adults, the area under the arm must be clean-shaven. Even patients who are sleeping or comatose can be easily monitored. The TraxIt will even stay in place during bathing. To remove the TraxIt, first wash your hands, then gently peel off and discard. Let me explain how you read the temperature. After the TraxIt has been under the patient's arm for 3 minutes, the rows of green dots will start to turn black, moving from left to right to indicate the patient's temperature. The numbers on the thermometer are the value of the dot right next to it, going up 1/10 of a degree at a time, towards the right. The last black dot, with the highest number on the grid, represents the patient's actual temperature. By using the TraxIt thermometer, we reduce the risk of cross-infection and reinfection that often occurs with other thermometers. That wasn't so bad now, was it? What a good boy you are, Jabu. Oh, see, Luscious, together we can make it better.